In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a dependent already claimed e-file reject on TurboTax. If you've encountered this issue, don't worry. It's a common problem and can be resolved with a few straightforward steps. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu options available. Look for Other Tax Situations and click on it. This section will give you access to various tax scenarios you might encounter, including the one we're dealing with today. After clicking on Other Tax Situations, the next step is to proceed to Other Tax Forms. This is the section where you can manage additional forms and resolve issues related to your current tax return. If you've already started your tax return and encountered this rejection, you'll find an option labeled Fix My Return. This feature is designed to help you address common e-file rejects, including the issue of a dependent being claimed on another return. Now, why does this error occur in the first place? Well, it typically happens if someone else has already claimed your dependent on their tax return. This could be an honest mistake, perhaps due to shared custody arrangements, or if another family member has used the same Social Security number by accident. Whatever the reason, it's important to address it promptly to ensure your tax return is processed correctly. Once you're in the Other Tax Forms section, carefully review the entries related to your dependents. Double-check the Social Security numbers and ensure that all information is entered accurately. If everything looks correct on your end, consider reaching out to others who might have claimed your dependent and discuss the situation to find a resolution. If necessary, you may need to provide documentation to the IRS to substantiate your claim to the dependent in question. If after these checks you're still facing difficulties, TurboTax offers customer support that can guide you through more specific troubleshooting steps. It's always a good idea to take advantage of the resources available, whether it's online help or speaking to a tax expert. Remember that resolving this issue may take some time, especially if additional IRS documentation is required. Patience is key, but rest assured that by following these steps, you're on the right path to fixing this e-file reject. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tax tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.